With AI tools, making money is easy. So today I'm about to show you ridiculously easy way to turn AI into your personal cash machine. If you are new here, you are in the perfect place to learn simple, actionable tips to level up your life and finances. So stick around, I promise you will live with something valuable today. The easiest way to optimize the power of AI to generate money for you is run a faceless YouTube channel. Yes, run a faceless YouTube channel. So are you still in doubt if YouTube monetizes faceless channel? YouTube love AI. It embraces it. It has come to stay. It's just a matter of how you could use it to generate income for yourself. There are countless channels earning thousands of dollars from AI automated content. Are you shy to show your face, or maybe you don't want your nosy relatives saying, "Oh, so you started content creating now?" No worries. You can make money on YouTube without anyone knowing it is you. So very simple step I want to show you, so let's go right into it. So the first thing you need to do is think of a channel idea. It could be anything about space, motivational quotes, anything you think of. For the purpose of this tutorial, what I could think of now is finance. So even if you don't know anything about this, that is where the power of AI comes in. So we'll head over to ChatGPT to give us ideas about the trending YouTube titles on finance. Basically, it's going to list trending topics for us to write on. After this has been done, so we want to go to this powerful text to video AI generator. So go to InVideo. With InVideo AI, you could turn text prompt and any idea you have into publish ready video. One of my favorite parts is cloning your own voice and using your voice as voiceover, which is powerful. So you could also use a simple text prompt to translate the video language to other top languages. You can see how powerful it is. So let me show you exactly how this works step by step. So do well to smash that like button. So let's jump into it. Once you sign up, it's pretty straightforward. You will see a box here where you put text. You have up to like 32,000 characters here for the text prompt. So to give the prompt, go back to ChatGPT and write, "I choose one. Write a prompt that I can generate video from InVideo." So here is a detailed prompt for InVideo AI to generate a video for 10 smart money moves to make before 30. Give us the title, the tone, the target audience, and also it gives us the key elements and all that. So see how detailed it is. So we need to copy this and paste it in the InVideo box. So once it is pasted, so we generate the video. Any of your idea that you want to think of, you can simply go this way. This will be shown. It's asking now for the duration of the video. So we have 4 minutes, 10 minutes, 2 minutes. Let's pick 4 minutes for the purpose of this tutorial. Let's pick 4 minutes. Then the background, is it going to be inspirational, upbeat, or motivational? I'm going to leave it as upbeat. Then the platform, which platform do you want to play this video? Is YouTube platform. Then you continue. So if you don't want to really clone your voice here, you can use AI generate voice. So this will take a couple of minutes, about 12 minutes done. So what it's doing now is creating the entire video, finding clips, finding the music, the voiceover, all of this stuff is taking place automatically. So let's wait for it. So it is done. Look at our video. Let's hear it.
Are you in your 20s and ready to crush it financially? This isn't about pinching pennies. It's about setting your...
You can see how pretty it is. So let me show you the editing part. Using the prompt box down here, we can manipulate, we can adjust anything that we want to adjust right here. If you want to edit or change the video or change the tone, you can simply do it. You can change it from serious tone to humorous tone. So what if you want to take your editing further? You want to make some adjustments. So click on edit button. You can pretty edit the footage, the music, the script here. You could also change the clip given to you. So you can change the scripts right from here. You change the narrator if you want to change the narrator, but I will leave the narrator as it is. But once you change anything, you save the changes, that is it. Then it will generate and update everything that you do. I discovered that there is no subtitle on our video, so I want to give it a command and say add subtitles to the video. So look at it, that's giving the subtitle. Also, you can change the video to any language of your choice. and you can also upload your voice over if need be. So we have the upload media, stock media, generative media. You can click on stock media if you want to change any stock media here. Once you pick any footage there, it's going to highlight the particular text that you want to do. So you can actually copy it, search for it there, and pick and replace with any footage of your choice. So after all this has been done and you're satisfied with it, save these changes and generate the video, and boom, your video is ready. So to remove the watermarks, you need to do a paid version, upgrade it to a paid version. So it's a very good thing to invest on so that you'll be able to post consistently on your YouTube channel. You see how simple those steps are to use vidIQ to find trending title, tags and ideas. So post your video, sit back and watch the view roll in like magic. So I want to share a pro tip with you. Start with these 3 niches: health, wealth and relationship, and also use your voiceover because YouTube does not really embrace robotic voices. So this is how you can make money from it. Take those videos, upload them to YouTube. Do it at least 1 per day. Just keep doing it consistently and wait till YouTube send you those checks. So go out there, automate it and rock it. We will see in the next video. Thank you.